the film flopped so badly that the whole studio closed down after that. They said no married actor has ever made it in the film industry as a romantic hero. The girls will take an aversion for you. It was not going to work out.
There is an interesting, phrase you came out for the people who asked you to do the movie. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
So when I first started my career in Tamil, my first film, Alai Pathi, had become a big hit and as did the next film I did called Minnale. And then I had no advisors in the film industry because I was breaking ground. I was one of those guys people thought would never make it as a Tamil actor, simply because a very interesting story. During the release of my first film, I was coming out with a romantic film. It was a romantic film with Shalini. And the PR department, when they came to brief us, said, whatever you do, Madhavan, don't tell them that you got married 4 months ago.
Yeah.
So I said, why? They said, no married actor has ever made it in the film industry as a romantic hero. The girls will take an aversion for you. It was not going to work out. And I am not very comfortable with a lie, and especially about a woman who is part of my life, and to ignore her and to tell the audiences that she's not my wife was not something that I was going to do at all. So I went and told Mani Ratnam, I said, Mani sir, this is what they're saying. Do you want me to comply? And he said, you do whatever you want. I said, okay. And sure enough, the first question that they asked me in that publicity meet was, we believe you got married 4 months ago. What do you have to say? Who's your wife? So I told the media then, I said, I'm very sorry that I'm going against the wishes of my PR department, but I'm married. My wife's name is Sarita. We were going around for 9 years and we got married, and this is it. I was told that the Tamil audiences will not accept me if I told them that I was a married actor, but I'm an actor. I cannot undermine or insult my wife. At the same time, I want the Tamil audiences to like my movies. So in all humility, I am married, and I hope that they accept me for who I am. And more than the film, that line became so popular that I became instantly popular with the ladies when the first film started. So now everybody thought, okay, this guy has changed the rules over there. So the people who were coming to me were saying, you cannot be Rajnikant till you do films that work in the B and C center. The villages have to accept you. Only when they go Talaiva will you become a South superstar. So I was getting all this data which was telling me, do films for the villages, so behave like somebody in the villages and stuff. So I accepted a film where I was playing a guy who was struggling to feed himself, who was weak, who was uneducated, who was not studying, but who had a dream of becoming a cricketer. So that was the film that I was doing. The film flopped so badly that the whole studio closed down after that. So I suddenly realized this is that I should never become what I've become, the term that I started to use a lot now, which is called in Hindi, data ke tattu, which means idiots who do not know how to interpret the data. Everybody has data. Yeah. Your interpretation and the inferences of those interpretations will determine how successful you are. So while all they were telling me was true, what I had to do was not that. I had to interpret the data separately and make my own kind of BC center film. So that film taught me tremendously with a big slap on my face what I needed to do next.